Here's another very large 4-cylinder engine they have on the Cool Springs Power Museum grounds. That's the 4-cylinder, 4-stroke Miller, 300 horse. 2 cylinders on one end, 2 cylinders up here. That big flat pulley in the center will eventually have a big flat belt going onto the back of the building. We'll walk back here. There's an air compressor that this would have ran. Have this floor is dug out. Like I said, eventually there'll be a belt going back here to this big Ingersoll Rand air compressor. Still working on it. You get up here and there's more done to it, so it takes a lot of time and a lot of volunteers, but hopefully one day we'll see it pumping air. Takes up almost the whole building. All right, well, head on to another building. Stay tuned.